Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Very simple, very easy. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Pay very close attention now. Click on settings and privacy, and then I want you to click on account center. When you're at account center, I want you to click on personal details. Then I want you to click on account ownership and control. Then this is where the magic happens. So here you have two options, deactivation or deletion. So if you click on this, you will have to choose between deactivation or deletion on all of the accounts or pages linked to this account over here. You will have Facebook accounts, Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, and Instagram pages. So you can manually, individually log into all of these accounts and delete or deactivate them. Remember, there is a big difference between deactivation and deletion. When you deactivate your account, your data and information will not be lost, okay? And the recovery process is very simple. You just log back in and the account is recovered. But if you click delete, then you will have 30 days simply to go back if you change your mind and recover your account. Otherwise, all the data, files, pictures, videos, saves, everything will be wiped out. And also, if you want to request all this data information, you have to do it in advance, because Instagram and Meta in general, they don't have all these files on hand. You have to make a request and they will provide you these files in a couple of days. And then when they send you a link to a special folder with your files, you will have, I believe, 3 to 4 days to download it. After that, the link will expire and you will not have access to. But this is how you can temporarily deactivate or delete your Instagram account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.